Welcome back to Taylor Cooks. This is the camping edition. I've been tasked by Trevor to do a 4-ingredient meal that you can do outside camping on an open fire. Yeah, easy peasy, isn't it really? 4 ingredients, cue the music. Alright, so this meal has got to be a meal that you can do when you're camping, and you don't have to have sausages and beans and all sorts. This is a really easy meal because you can buy this from any supermarket. So you can buy that from any supermarket, which is your ragu, your lasagna, and you can buy your white sauce. So I'm going to make a lasagna which you can make while you're camping. Can't be done. It can be done. Just watch this. So let me just do that first of all. We've got a few meatballs in that by the look of it. And I hope Trevor is watching this and is taking note of how I'm doing it, because I want to see your go at this, Trev. And you can get all these ingredients from the supermarket. That's not a problem. More on. Down there. Put some more of this on. More ragu. The ragu was actually in the playlist. So if you look at the playlist and you want to know how to make this for yourself, which is very easy, that's how we do it. Okay, put that on there. More of the ragu, some more lasagna sheets. So if you remember, this is the camping edition, everything's in the field. All we need is a fire, really, isn't it? That's all we need. A bit more of the ragu on the top. Like that. Come on, Tarquin, up to me. So I know what you're saying. Now you're going to say, yes, but you need an oven, don't you? And you're in the middle of a field. Solve that. Look at this. How's about that for an oven? 180 degrees, 1 hour lasagna in a field. Trevor, over to you. Right, Rycraft, let's have a look, see what we got. Oh my giddy aunt. So, you can't do this because you're camping. Of course you can. Of course you can. Look at that, mate. And what I'll do, I'll put some roasted potatoes with it. How does that look? Mrs. Taylor Cooks, who doesn't cook, is salivating, even as we speak. I'm going to put a couple there. Nice little crusty one there, mate. Open those up. Too hot. Bit of salt. Bit of salt. Bit of pepper. Camping. Open fire.